Welcome to the FabExpress Bayul in the heart of Gangtok. Located just steps away from the vibrant MG Marg. As we enter, take note of the Wi-Fi router and the CCTV. Modern amenities ensuring your stay is comfortable and secure. Now, let's explore room 206. The spacious room features a large bed and unique artworks on the wall. The floor is vinyl, and there's a mirror that could use a bit of cleaning. Telephone sits on the bedside table, though it seems to be out of order. Night lights and convenient charging points enhance the room's practicality. Draw open the curtains for a view of the MG Marg, a lively sight, especially from rooms with direct vistas. Extra blankets and pillows are a thoughtful touch, ensuring a cozy stay. Moving on to the culinary offerings, check out the bar and the restaurant menus with a variety of choices to suit different tastes. In terms of entertainment, there's a 32-inch Samsung non-smart TV. However, without subscribed channels, you may want to bring your own entertainment. Opening the cupboard reveals signs of wear and tear, damaged wood and surfaces that could use some attention. During our visit, the hotel was undergoing maintenance. The rules and regulations, including a noon checkout, are standard. The bathroom, while small, provides essential facilities, including a geyser for warm showers, basic toiletries, and a towel are provided. On closer inspection, we found a broken cloth hanger and a bathroom door that isn't quite closed fully. In summary, our stay left with us mixed feelings. The hotel's affordability and prime location within MG Marg makes it an attractive option for those seeking convenience without breaking the bank. Closing our exploration with a glance at the lively MG Marg below, the FabExpress Bayul offers an affordable stay right in the heart of the action.